Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. This early evening we were in Protaras. Oh, I'm on the bike lane, silly Billy. Still sunny, look. Oh, lovely. Sun's going down over there, look. Oh, that's bright. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Anyway, this is the big gem road. Oh, there's a 102 and there's another 102. How about that? It's middle of August, you see. Very, very busy. So why not put on extra buses? There we are, extra buses, another one coming the other way, and we are today going in Cyprus. Very, very good value for money, triple delish food, excellent for families, guys. Let me show you the menu out here and I'll show you what I mean. Now, if you're with a family and there's lots of you, this is the place to come. So let's have a look at this A-board and look at these prices. Can we see that from here? Got a bit of a shadow, haven't we? Let's have a look here, shall we? Yep, we've got a shadow. We're going to go inside. Hello. Oh, hello everybody. Are we joining you?
Yeah.
Oh, this would be fun, isn't it? Hello, how are you? So we've got a whole massive family here, well, several families. I'm going to get a menu. Before I get the menu, I'm going to have a look around. So we've got this area here, you see. We've got a screen at the back. And look at this. We've even got vintage games. It's 50 cents to play that. I might have a go later. That is excellent. I remember one of those, guys. The one I remember is an upright one. But they did do these sit-down ones, didn't they, guys? Do you remember? There we are. So, massive restaurant. We're here early, so it's going to get very, very busy. They've even got fish. Look, you don't eat them, by the way. They go fish. Okay. So let me get the menu, and I'll show you the menu. Hello. Hello. This is the boss. Very, very polite. The staff in here are so polite, so lovely, guys. We've had a new roof this year. Look, that slides up. And then we've got new doors and all sorts of decorations in Cyprus. So here we are, there's the menu, guys. So look at the prices. Chicken dishes including chicken curry, €13, chicken nuggets and chips, €10 for the children. We've got pastas including spaghetti at just €9, pizzas start at just €5, going just €12 for the super large. Vegetarians can have a vegetarian masaka and chips at €13. Moving on, we've got the mixed grill at just €15 and it is enormous. Lamb chops and chips 14, mixed kebab and chips just €12. The giant pork chop and chips is just €12. We've got steaks as well at €18. Look at the prices, guys, really good value. Moving on to fish dishes at €13. Grilled sea bream and chips €14. Scampi at €13. We've got the Cyprus dishes, look at this. We've got gleftigo masaka and chips at €13. Stefado and chips €14. This is desserts. We've also got banana split, just €4.50. Dearly. Pancakes and ice cream, just €4.50. Right, drinks, guys, look at this. Teas, just €2. Local beer, wow, just €3.50. Imported beers a little bit more. Refreshing drinks including small soft drink at €2, a large soft drink is €3. Spirits, liqueurs, wines, €12 a bottle. White wine, €12 a bottle. Wine by the glass is just €3. Non-alcoholic cocktails at just €3. Red wines again, €12 a bottle, €3 for a glass. Long drinks, including a mojito, are just €4. Really good. Now this is a kids menu. Look at this value for money. Pizzas €5, chicken nuggets and chips €6, chicken kebab and chips €6. Really, really good value. Fresh orange juice, and it really is fresh, at just €3.50, and the mojito, as we said, is just €4. Right, so you've all got your Cypriot bread, haven't you? And Lurpak quality. There we are. You can always tell when it's quality when you see Lurpak
in your fridge, you're rich.
We've got, is that what they say? Yeah. Did you hear that? Yeah. If you've got Lurpak in your fridge, you're rich.
My mum's got about 5 in here, fridge, 5 plus.
Here, I've got to find my bank statement. Because we've got Lurpak and the bank statement doesn't say that we're rich. Yeah. Oh dear. We're doing something wrong. Right, so I'm going to go for the Cypriot style lasagna, which is like macaroni in the oven.
Pastito.
Pastito. Well, I call it macaroni in the oven, don't I?
Pastito.
Yeah. Hello, mate. What's your name?
Frankie.
Frankie, you've got marvellous chips. Oh, there's Cypriot potato chips, gammon and egg. One of my favourites. I'm jealous. Triple delish. Well done. And there's more coming up. I'm gonna go and have a look at the pork chop, because there's a pork chop over there. Have you got the pork chop?
Yes. I have, yes.
Look at the size of that pork chop.
Do you eat chop strikes again?
Certainly does. Wow, pork chops. Let's go over here and have a look, see what we've got over here. We've got the kids' pizza. It looks delicious, doesn't it? What's your name? You've forgotten. She's forgotten her name, don't worry, she's in a kerfuffle. You've got the gammon as well. Oh, wow. One of my favourites, the beautiful gammon. There's a lot there. Tuck in, because you might need a little time with that. Yeah, you could be a little while. I will tuck in if I was you.
Give us 2 hours and come back.
Yep, I will do. Absolutely, you're going to need the time. What you got there? What's that?
Chicken with creme.
Oh, very creamy and posh, isn't it? Okay. Did you remember your name? What is it? Leanna, of course it was. What? Oh, Brianna. Oh, sorry, that's me. I'm in a kerfuffle now. Oh dear, never mind. The crew's got the lovely kebab. Are you going healthy?
And I keep telling everybody, don't go home without having a jacket potato.
And we've got the kebab for the children, and you've got the chips, haven't you? That looks delicious, doesn't it? For the camera, what's your name? Aaron. His name's Aaron, guys. He's in a kerfuffle. Everyone's in a kerfuffle. I think we're a bit overwhelmed with the size of the dishes. We're going to go right round the corner because it looks like... What you got there?
Chicken nuggets and chips.
Chicken nuggets and chips, delish. Cypriot style lasagna. That's how it's described. I'm going to just work my way round. Then I'm going to plump it on my plate. And then of course I've got, oh, it's very hot. And then we've got the Cypriot style, thank you, chips, and I've got a salad with it as well. So that's that, and my chips, and this big salad, and that's, I think it was €13. Oh, look at that ice cream, vanilla, triple delish. Excuse me, greedy top, what you got there?
1 scoop of chocolate.
Just a small scoop of chocolate for you.
Did you see my picture?
Oh, complimentary melon, daily.
Did you see my picture?
No, I haven't seen the picture. Oh.
It's a cat.
Oh, that's very good, yes. Excellent, well done.
I didn't draw it.
Oh, you didn't draw it? Oh, sorry. That's very, very good. See? Very, very good. Well done.
It's better than I can do.
It is. Well, triple delish, really good value for money. That's Super S Restaurant. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.